HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, back working on the Fiat again, and in all this excitement of timing and everything else, I believe my coil is starting to die. That or the module is not going to work and it's acting up. I don't know. I'm going to change out the coil first, but it started making the tag like acting crazy and running bad. It was missing some and doing some crazy stuff, but the tag was flopping all around. And got another coil here. So this is the 8145 breakerless electronic ignition, one from AMSOIL. This one matches the parameters for the primary is like 0.7 ohms, and then it's like 10,000 ohms on the secondary. So it fits supposedly exactly what we need for this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it switched out and see if that fixes my problem. All right guys, the new coil is hooked up and the gauge is still acting wonky. It's obviously not idling it. Almost $2,000. Rev it up just a little bit, it starts acting buggy. Even if you hold it at a constant RPM, it's just all over the place. So it's definitely not the coil. It's a brand new coil, didn't change anything. I mean, it is running, not running super good. That HEI module is just not gonna work. And Matt warned me, Vick Autosport, he said that a regular old HEI for V8 will not work. You have to buy the right one that they sell. He said, otherwise these will die. And sure enough, the HEI must have died.
3 days later.
All right, guys. So I want to appreciate Matt from Vick Autosports again. He sent me their performance ignition module. So this one should work well for revving this thing up above $4,000 and a little more extra performance, and should run a little better than the one we put in, which is now dying. So get this switched out, and first thing I'm gonna do is just loosen up the coil, which is already loose, get it pulled out of there, pull out the plugs, and then 2 screws, 2 little flatheads in here, and we will switch it out. All right guys, got the coil out of the way, and now there's these 2 2 flatheads here, and then I'll pull off the other wire here, connector there. Screw the other one down. One thing you want to make sure that you do when you put it down is put on the heat seat paste that they come with. It's like a mixture of different materials, but it's got some silicone in it. And if you don't have it, you just use regular silicone, but the white heat seat paste is the best stuff to use. All right, guys, new module is on down there. Get everything wired back up. So let's try it. All right, guys, it's working again. It's actually working correctly now. All right, guys, so everything's running smooth. I went ahead and checked it with the timing light, checked my initial and total, make sure all that still good, and everything's running pretty good now. So let it get warmed up a little bit more, get going. Yes! Back in action, baby! I think it's actually a little bit faster even with this performance module in there. It seems to rev a little quicker and pull a little bit harder than it even was before. That is awesome. This is it right here. All right, guys. Thanks, sir. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Vick for sending me this performance module. And hope you like it. Stay tuned. Hopefully have more coming.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.